If your T-Mobile home internet upload speed is slow, don't worry. Here are the quick fixes that actually work. First, open your T-Mobile Gateway app and check your signal numbers. You want RSRP better than 100, RSRQ better than 12, SINR above 8. If these are worse, your upload will always be slow. The easiest fix: move the gateway. Put it near a window, higher up, and away from walls or TVs. You'll see upload jump instantly if the signal improves. Next, do a full power reboot. Unplug the gateway for 30 seconds. This clears bad tower connections and often doubles upload speed. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and switch DNS to 1.1.1.1 Cloudflare or 8.8.8.8 Google. This helps with stability and upload consistency. If you're using the fast 5T688 or Arcadyan, jump into the web interface and make sure you're on the 5G band, not LTE. LTE uploads are usually slower. If uploads stay under 1 Mbps, the issue may be with your tower. Call T-Mobile and ask them to check upload congestion. And that's it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick internet fixes.